Good morning, dear children. Yesterday we studied how human beings have destroyed rivers and land for their own selfish motives. And you know why? Because they were always attracted towards land and towards rivers. And these changes also agree with the logic of geography, as land and water have always attracted human beings. Now the jet goes higher in this poem, the jet goes higher and it goes 6 miles more. Now it was very clear that the earth is round. See, the poet, when he looked down from that height, he could see that the earth is round, and it looked like this to him. There is more water, more sea than land, and we have enough facilities and comforts to lead a happy life. Still there is so much conflict, and it's very difficult to understand why people define causes to hate and to fight. These are the questions which the poet has raised to the readers. He's raising these questions here for you all. Why do they build walls and live apart? Why do they kill one another? Why do they kill one another is the question which has been raised. And if you want to get more information on world wars, please visit. Actually, why do they want to kill each other is something which will take you to previous and wars which have been fought in our past. So you must know why the wars were fought in past, but it is little off track, so I'll not take you deep into that. But yes, if you are interested, you can always visit this website. This is the website which I'm highlighting, and you can see how wars destroyed us. Now here the poem ends. Children, let us put our hands together to make this world a better place. We have to preserve nature. We should reduce pollution. We should always work towards to make this earth a better place, and this we should all take a pledge. And I think we keep taking pledge, see what we have done, and we should always have those who really need it. Shed off narrow-mindedness, these walls which we have created around ourselves. Let us not fight for silly matters. And friends, how beautiful a day can be when friendship touches it. So you all must remember, and we can make this world more beautiful. We can bring more joy if we actually really care. And this is all for today's lesson. And I hope that you enjoyed this poem. And the poet has raised here questions that why do we hate each other? There's enough space for everyone. There are enough facilities available on this planet Earth for everyone. Then why have we built these walls of hatred around us? Children, you are the future of this nation, and you should always understand that love and compassion, if we generate these emotions inside us, if we try to become a good human being, then probably we may help developing our nation in a better way. We can actually help in the productivity of our country, because we can then minimize those those feuds, those conflicts, those riots. If we minimize all those things, imagine how much we can save. How can we save our country from all those issues of hatred? So my dear ones, live with compassion and live with pity for the people who are weaker than you. Thank you, everyone. This is all for today.